Next, I would like to show you the use of our LUDWIG hook in a basket application. A basket setup might be useful for several reasons. One of them is if the geometry of the lifting point doesn't allow for direct attachment of the LUDWIG hook. Another one might be that I want to increase the capacity in my operation. Using a basket setup splits the load between two legs and doubles the capacity. I use an extra chain or sling and go around the load or through my lifting point. I close the LUDWIG hook and I bring the other end of the chain or the sling into the hook. Then I lift, set my load down and release from distance. After that, by lifting with the crane, my sling or chain is set free and my lifting operation finished. Thank you for your attention.